Okay, viewers, today I have generated 2D animation videos in this style. And first of all, I want to show you the videos that I created. Just take a look at these.
Wait, what is this? You bought a phone and didn't even tell me! Seriously, what kind of friend are you? Wow! Just wow!
You can clearly see how amazing, how cool, and how engaging these videos are without wasting your time. Let's start today's video. Step by step in a proper way so you don't get confused anywhere. First of all, I take you to YouTube, and here, you simply need to search for the channel, Backbenchers Animation. Now carefully observe this channel. You can clearly see it has millions of subscribers, and if you open their short section, you will notice something very powerful. Their videos are getting 23 million, 20 million, even 18 million views. This clearly shows the demand of this content now. When you scroll and watch their shorts one by one, you will realize that all of these are simple 2D animation videos. Not very complex, but highly engaging and trending. I even play one or two shorts to show you the style. And you can see how simple yet addictive the content is. Now, the most important question that comes into everyone's mind is this channel monetized or not? Because without monetization, views don't matter. So what I do is I copy the channel link and open Social Blade where I have already pasted it. And here, you can clearly see it has a B+ grade, which means it's performing very well. Along with that, you can see estimated monthly earnings between $5,000 to $8,000 and yearly earnings going very high as well. Even daily earnings data is visible here, which clearly proves that this channel is 100% monetized and making serious money. So this means if you also upload this type of 2D animation, shorts consistently, your channel can also reach monetization and generate income. Now let's move towards the most important part of this video. Prompts. Many people get confused here, but you don't need to worry at all because I have already prepared a complete master prompt for you. In this master prompt, I have included everything in detail. Main character design, secondary characters like boy and girl, then 10 image prompts, 10 video prompts, and even full voiceover is already added inside it. So you don't have to create anything from scratch. You will find this master prompt link in the description. All you need to do is simply click the link, copy the master prompt, then open ChatGPT, paste it there, and click on Generate within 1 to 2 minutes. You will see that 10 high-quality 2D animation image prompts are ready, along with 10 video prompts and complete voiceover. Now I recommend you to review all prompts one by one so you fully understand each scene because the scenes are designed in a consistent way. After that, copy all these prompts and create a simple document file like a Word file or any notes file so that you can easily copy and paste them during your workflow without any confusion. Now we move to the next important step, which is the AI tool that we will use. And the best part is it is 100% free. You simply need to go to Google Labs and open Flow AI. The link is already given in the description so you can directly access it. Once you open the tool, you will see that it gives daily free credits. So you don't have to worry about payment. Now click on New Project, and after that, go to the image section here. You will find options like Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro. Both are good, but in this video, I am using Nano Banana 2 now. What you have to do is very simple. Copy your first image prompt, paste it here and click on Generate. Within a few seconds, your first 2D animation image will be ready. You can see the quality, it's very clean, colorful, and engaging. Now repeat the same process for all scenes. Copy. Second prompt, paste, generate, then third, fourth, and continue this process until all 10 images are generated. It's a very simple copy-paste workflow. And within a few minutes, all your images will be ready. After that, you can preview all images one by one, and you will notice that the consistency and style are maintained properly. Now, download all the important images one by one. Once your downloading is complete, we move to the next step, which is video creation. Go to the video section. I will select my first image that I want to convert into a video. Once the image is selected, I will go back to my document where I have saved all my video prompts. And from there, I will copy the prompt for scene 2. Because I am using that specific prompt with the first image, I will paste the prompt here and click on the Generate option. Now we just need to wait for a short time, usually around 1 minute. And after that, you can see that my first image to video is ready, with an amazing voiceover included. You can watch it and notice how smooth and engaging it looks.
Wait, what is this? You bought a phone and didn't even tell me! Seriously, what kind
All right, viewers, you have seen the first video. Now let's move to the second one. I will select my second image, paste its corresponding prompt, and again, click on Generate. After waiting for a few moments, you can see that the second image to video is also ready again with a very clean and impressive voiceover.
Relax, okay? I was gonna tell you later, but just look at it first. It's the latest model, super fast, amazing camera, totally worth it.
Now let's move to the third image I selected. Paste the prompt, click Generate, and after a short wait, the third video is also ready. As you can see, it has converted the 2D animation into a very smooth and professional looking video, which looks super cool. Now, finally, I select my fourth and last image, add a proper prompt, and click on Generate after waiting. Briefly, you can see that my final video is also ready. This clearly shows that the Flow AI video tool is extremely powerful and produces high-quality professional results. Now you can watch all the videos one by one.
Relax, okay? I was gonna tell you later, but just look at it first. It's the latest model, super fast, amazing camera, totally worth it.
Wait, what is this? You bought a phone and didn't even tell me! Seriously, what kind of friend are you? Wow, just wow! Give it to me, I want to see it properly!
No, I just got it. You'll drop it.
I won't drop it, just give it!
Stop pulling it like that.
Oh no, wait, what are you doing? It's slipping! Don't let it go! Catch it, catch it!
And you will notice that every single video looks amazing, both in terms of image quality and video output. This means that the entire process from image generation to video creation works perfectly and delivers outstanding results. So viewers, I highly recommend you to try this tool and explore its full potential. I hope you really liked today's video and learned something valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel AI Skill Zone, because here you will always get new ideas and new niches to grow your content. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.